Hit! That goes. Damn.
Hit.
Oh. Hit. Hey, you got me.
Okay. I already lost my last.
Over there, over here.
Bang, bang.
That isn't, you can't do bang bangs. Alright, wolf pitch.
Whoa! Boy, no, damn it! Good. Wait. Hit. I'm gonna call that. I think I got hit, yeah. Oh, hey, damn it. You lied to me.
Hit. You didn't hit me, did you?
Still that side. Got you.
Grenade! Move in. Go, go, go.
Go, 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 go. You were definitely hit, by the way. I'm hit.
Let's go. You're hit. Out.
Hit. I have no idea what numbers he.
Just shot me. Hit. Hit. I'm good.
Yeah, I won't stick my head out the window, okay?
Okay.
Ah, what the? God damn it!
Oh, good shot. I'm good.
Let's alright, we roll up. Here we go. Wait a minute, I gotta wait for you. Alright, beginning to move back into here.
Nice.
Ooh. Straight out of us. Yeah. Yeah. You're gone.
Hey, who's got a LiPo?
No one. Give me one more smoke on the road.
Smoke.
One more smoke.
I got one here.
It does, but he's up.
You got a flag on you?
Hey, Chuck,
Get
do you
your
still have
fucking
that
cover.
battery?
You go in last.
Where? Left center.
I'm gonna sell the building.
Keep that gun as you block.
Smoke out.
I got can moving on our left. Can moving on our left.
Not worried about them. We're going straight fucking
stay
across.
in the
Get
open.
ready to support from here.
All right. Hey, give me your medic bandages. They're running hard. Hey,
Units are falling on me.
hey,
We're going.
Who has medic bandages? Give them to me. I don't have any.
All right.
Suppress the shit out of that building.
I can rip the shit out of it.
Get on it. Get cover and do it.
All right, Chuck, you're leading. You're probably keep going.
Coming with you.
You're going last. No. Am I coming with you on
Hey.
this though?
Where are we going?
Jason, do you have another battery?
It's now or never. We gotta fucking do it.
Let's do it, Chuck.
Rifles on point.
I'm gonna saw the building.
Everybody up, get ready!
Ready?
Move!
Go! Hit!
Do you want me to turn my high beams on behind you?
You want me to stop my car in the middle of the highway?
I'll show you the difference between my high beams and my low beams. Trust me, I get high beams.
Reading the stuff on this picture because I don't want.